Finalizing. Today I'm gonna make for you Easter bun, and these are my ingredients here. This is my flour. I have 6½ cup of flour. I have strawberry jam, which I'm gonna use 3 teaspoons. I have red and green cherries. I have a cup of raisin. We're gonna use vanilla, browning, molasses, baking powder and baking soda, and we're gonna use pumpkin spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon zest, and some lemon juice, and some honey, and 2 eggs. So let's get started. First we're gonna make gonna put our stove on. We're gonna bake the liquid for our we have to, like, we're not gonna boil it, we're gonna make it like warm, just warm liquid, just to melt everything. We have 1 bottle of Guinness here. How much ounces is this, Martha?
22 ounces.
22 ounces of Guinness. Because we're using 6½ cup of flour. We double the recipe. If you don't want to make so much, you can just use half amount. We're doubling the recipe. Yeah, 4 tablespoons butter in it. I don't know why. Some honey. This is what? Half cup of honey. So we have 2, did I tell them that we have 2 cup of sugar into this? 2 cup sugar. Yeah, 2 cup of brown sugar. 3 tablespoons strawberry jam. Melt and the sugar dissolve. And then we're gonna add our eggs to it. Okay, this is 2 eggs. Whenever we put our eggs, we have to make sure that we keep stirring, because we don't want to cook our eggs. So, you know what? Let me use the whisk. We don't want to cook our eggs, so we have to make sure we keep stirring. Keep stirring. Our eggs is in. Take it off the heat because it has to cool down. Then we're gonna add the rest of our liquid to this. We're gonna add our lemon juice, which is 1 lemon, our lemon zest. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons molasses. 2 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons browning. I don't want it too dark. That is 3. Let me see. There are 3 takers. 1 more. Okay, that's it. I had our vanilla.
2 tablespoons of vanilla.
I had 2 tablespoons vanilla. There we go. This is all our liquid. And we're gonna make this cool down. Then we're gonna add baking powder, baking soda, and all our dry ingredients. Okay, 2 tablespoons baking powder.
Half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Half teaspoon baking soda. I already put the baking soda. 1 teaspoon nutmeg. 1 tablespoon nutmeg. So we're gonna have 1 tablespoon cinnamon. Just need a little bit. 1 tablespoon, I don't have this is pumpkin spice I have here. I don't have the Jamaica allspice. So I had 1 tablespoon. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so we have all our dry ingredients in here. Gonna mix it together. Salt, I did put the salt in it. 1 tablespoon salt. Let's mix everything together. Then we're gonna add our flour in slowly, because we don't want to get splash. Okay, we're gonna finish mix by hand.
Oh, gotta bring this down.
Yeah. Oh Lord. Okay, guys. Finish mix it by hand. Make sure no flour is in the bottom. Here we go. We're gonna add our raisin. I put some flour on it that it doesn't sink to the bottom. Give me my raisins. My counter is clean. And then I'm gonna add some cherries. Gonna fill our pan. My pan is spray. This spray. Spray my pan. You don't need to flour it and all those things. My oven is ready, so let me pour. I don't want my pan to fill up too much. Yeah, probably I'll get 3 from this. I'm just putting some cherries on the top for decoration. Cherries on the top for decoration. Red and green cherries. Give ourselves a little room at the top in case. And just spray. I need some water. 320. Put it right there. 320. And we're gonna put some water now in our pan. It's gonna stay there for an hour. About an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, guys. You're all done.
So good.
All done. We're gonna let it cool off and then show you the finish. Then we come right back. This is some melted butter and a little jam. I'm gonna just give it a little sheen over it. I have enough? Because I want to do the side too. Looks like I didn't make enough, but it's okay. Put some on the side too. Here guys, here we go. Easter bun and cheese. Show them the inside, Marcel. Look. Oh, yummy. Look how yummy that is. Yummy and fluffy Easter bun. Take a picture, Marcel. The Easter bun. Okay guys, thanks for coming into my home. Take care. God bless you. Have a great day. See you on the next video. Bye. Love.